Kardi, Somerfield, so I'm a senior lecturer from the University of Northampton. I teach advertising and digital marketing. We've just had training today from Alex at RiVR. We're going to be working on a project to develop some communications around women's safety in the nighttime economy. We're working on this as a live client project, so our students are doing assessed work, but they're also learning how to use the VR kit, learning about virtual reality in general. Our students have just been out filming with Alex this morning. They've been learning how to film in 360, which is new to them. They've not touched this kit at all before, and they're not media students, they are digital marketers. So we really are using it in a sort of out-of-the-box, plug-and-play way, and they're working up towards an assessed project with this kit. We're using RiVR Link kit because it seems pretty user-friendly, and the students are, and I am looking forward to using this both for our project, which is more of a marketing application, but I'm also hoping to be able to use this for learning and teaching. This is going to be fantastic for the students to have on their CVs. To have actually worked with specialists in this field is going to be a real employability factor for them. It's also great for us from a learning and teaching perspective. We're hoping to be able to develop some competencies in the university in a cross-faculty way, because we recognise that this is one of the tools we'd like to be using more. So this is really quite an exciting opportunity as a teaching professional. First impressions are that the product that RiVR's created seems to have real potential for immersive learning and teaching.